we're driving back to New York because I have some lab work I need to do when I get there, but we're making a stop along the way in rural Pennsylvania. Hi nomads, it's Tanya and I want to welcome you to my hashtag farm life. So we found this rental house on Airbnb that's a 4-bedroom house for a very reasonable price, and it's right on a farm with cows, a super friendly dog that follows you wherever you go, and a beautiful creek and view of other farms in the area. It's very peaceful, it's very socially distanced, and it's a nice change from all the tiny places I've been staying in recently. So let me show you around. So I learned how to make friends with cows pretty easily. All you need is a little hay. So if you saw my hashtag van life video, you know I love chickens and fresh eggs, and they have a whole pen full of chickens here and roosters, and the roosters cock-a-doodle-doo every so often, which is great. And we have fresh eggs in our refrigerator, and I'm gonna eat a bunch of them because I love fresh farm eggs. They don't seem afraid of me. They seem to think I have food. They come close when I come close. So this Airbnb provides a house, an entire house next to the main house, all for yourself. It has 4 bedrooms, and each bedroom has like a king-size bed, an upstairs and a downstairs, a big full kitchen, a grill, and I think we're doing a little grilling tonight. And right now I'm just enjoying the rocking chairs. They have 2 rocking chairs on the porch of the house. So on the way over here we passed by some farmers markets, and the sun is starting to go down a little after exploring the farms, so we're gonna go back to some of those farmers markets and get some vegetables to grill with the meat that we brought. kind of supermarket, but it was huge and filled with people, so we just tried to go quickly, get a few more things for the grill, and we saw this pen of, I don't know what these animals are. They look like they're like llamas maybe, but I don't think llamas look like this. If you know what these animals are, please comment below. So they have a grill here, which is crazy because you're looking at all these cows all day, and then we cook beef, but we brought the beef from outside. It's not from here, so maybe it's not as bad. We have beef ribs, which are my favorite, ribeye, portobello mushroom, which is one of my favorite veggies for the grill, and corn, which is still cooking right now. It's delicious. The dog is outside staring at us, hoping that we'll show mercy on her and give her some. Maybe we will. I'm up a little early this morning and my companion came to greet me. I wish I knew her name, I don't. We're gonna check out the sunrise together. We're having some of the farm fresh eggs they left for us in the fridge. We're planning on having 3 eggs and 3 egg whites split between the 2 of us, which is good because half of the eggs they left for us were already boiled, so it's good that we only were planning on eating the raw eggs. I love fresh eggs. So I jokingly said that this is my hashtag farm life, but it's nothing compared to real farm life. The farmers who work this farm are up before dawn and they work in the hot sun until dusk, and they work very hard. So me just coming to visit and having farm fresh eggs and wandering around and filming cows is nothing, but it's a really nice escape from the city life and worrying about coronavirus. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!